Hi friends, it's Harry here. Today I'm going to show you how I get ready for school on time. Let's go! First, I grab my school uniform. I always keep it ready the night before. It saves me so much time in the morning. Next, it's breakfast time. I love starting my day with something yummy and healthy. Mom says breakfast gives me the energy to learn and play. Now for my school bag. I packed it last night too. Let me check. Lunchbox, water bottle, books and pencils, everything's here. Ready to go. Don't forget your shoes. I make sure to tie them tight so I can walk, run, or jump without tripping. Bye, Mom.
Well, check. Clothes all ready, bag is packed. Breakfast done, no time to slack. Shoes are tied, I'm feeling cool. I'm all set and ready for school.
Look at the time. I still have a few minutes left. That's the best part of being prepared. I don't need to rush. Time to catch the bus. Being early means I can meet my friends and never miss a thing. Let's have an awesome day at school.